Charlie, are you having your breakfast yet? You're going to be late for school.
Yes, Mum, right.
Hey kid, did you know that if you eat 5 fruit and vegetables per day, you'll be able to maintain a healthy gut and prevent constipation and other digestion problems?
Yeah, so what?
Fruit and vegetables are a good source of vitamins, minerals and vitamin C. They will also help your immune system to battle away the nasty colds.
But chocolate tastes so nice.
Sugary things are alright to eat in moderation, but too much can cause weight gain, diabetes, and impair your immune system.
Oh, so I guess.
Well done, kid.
You make an effort to try and eat 5 a day and lead a healthier lifestyle.
Charlie, who are you talking to?
Don't worry,